Well, so some exciting news. I am gonna go and look at a kind of warehouse space that's become available and see if it's appropriate to move into to try and scale things up. So yeah, exciting. So gonna go and show you it, have a little walk around, and then yeah, hopefully it'll work. So yeah, this is the space. What do you think? Pretty big, isn't it? And basically this is at the end part of a friend's warehouse who's got like a shipping and distribution centre. And this was just being used for storage for them, but they were having a shift around and looking to sort of get a bit of extra revenue. It has got some power in, but it's one of those spaces that it's kind of warm in the summer and cold in the winter apparently. So I might have to build like a little office or something. It works out at £500 a month, and that includes all the electricity. So yeah, it's massive, but I think it could accommodate what I need. So yeah, that's the warehouse space. What do you think? Pretty big. It's 28 foot by 50 foot, and it's yeah, it's a beast. So I'm gonna have a think about it, but pretty much I think I could be onto a winner there. So needs clearing out some of the boxes, but yeah, that's looking very promising. Certainly going to fit quite a bit of tat in there.